Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about the CYNOVA 3.5mm USB-C audio adapter for the DJI Osmo action camera. This tiny gadget will allow you to use an external microphone on the DJI Osmo action camera. It also has a separate USB-C connection, so it would allow you to power the camera while using an external microphone. So imagine the possibilities. I went ahead and did a sound quality test comparing the DJI's Osmo Action internal recording and with the CYNOVA adapter, allowing me to connect an external microphone, and in this case I used the Rode Video Micro. Let's go ahead and check that footage out and see if there's any improvement in audio quality. This is the test with the onboard camera mic. The fact that the camera mic is inside the camera, it might introduce that muffled sound. I've used this camera in a car with the internal mics and it's a hit and miss. If something hits the camera, the meters in the camera tend to go down, or if you're manipulating the camera, sometimes they tend to go down, and then you don't get good sound quality. So today is a very sunny day, so as you can see outside there's a lot of birds. I don't know if you can hear the birds in the on-camera mic. Now we're gonna go and try the Video Micro and see if there's any difference in the sound quality. This is a test of the audio quality with the Video Micro. It's just on the side of the camera, you can't see it, but it's there. And what we're looking is to see if there's any improvement, because having a setup like this for doing on-the-go quick shots, if you're in a car for example, if this improves the sound quality, this then becomes a very easy and portable setup to have. So again, this is a test. Let's see if there's any difference, if you can hear my voice any clearer, and if you can hear less of the background noise with this setup right now. You could take it to places where you can't take a big camera kit, or if you're gonna just vlog on the go, this would be an ideal setup to have because it's just so compact. But again, we're only trying the sound quality right now. If the sound quality improves, then this might be a solution to have instead of filming in the onboard camera mic. And again, this is the onboard camera mic. Realistically, there should be improvement because Rode produces amazing microphones. So hopefully having an external microphone can bump up a bit the sound quality of this camera, and then you can have a nice setup that you can take on the go, and it's very portable. It's literally the Osmo Action case and a mic, and that's it. So let's see how that sounds. Let's go back to the studio. There was not enough wind, so I decided to go in a bike ride to try out and see if this microphone can hold against the wind of the bike moving away, because if this works well, it improves the sound quality and it introduces a new way to capture interesting shots for kind of videos, you know, keeping in mind that the Osmo Action has enough quality and you can still shoot in log. Sorry, thank you. Potentially this could be incorporated to a new kind of setup to create different and interesting shots, and you can still have decent audio. So not only are you getting better looking footage and more creative shots, but you're also getting decent audio that you could potentially incorporate. I'm right now testing the DJI Osmo Action with the Rode Micro and seeing if it actually works and if the sound quality is improved. And I'm riding on the bike relatively slow. Point is, if there's no wind passing and you can hear the audio clearly, then this is a cool tool to have because of the freedom it will give you when capturing kind of different shots, and then the fact that you can have nice audio, it's a bonus. So let's go back and try the onboard camera mic. Okay, now that's the onboard camera mic. Let's see if this shot works and if you can hear the noise, or if you can't hear the noise. Right now I have the Osmo Action in the case actually, so some of the noise from the wind might actually be blocked by the case. So I don't really know that as a fact, but it might be true that the case is actually blocking some of the wind noise that otherwise would be getting into the mic of the camera. I don't actually know if the Video Micro improves the sound quality, but this is how it sounds on the internal Osmo Action camera mic. Okay, that's back into the external mic, and I'm going relatively fast here, as you can see, and hopefully the sound quality is good enough. So I don't actually know. Let's see what it is. Going back to the studio, and let's try those shots out. Let's compare them side by side and see if the external mic made a difference and if it didn't. In order to get the DJI Osmo Action to record externally, you need a few accessories. I went ahead and bought a case, a mic and an adapter, and this is the kit here. The case I bought is the PG Tech or the PGY Tech. I don't know how to pronounce that name, very complicated. In this case I have the mic in the side, but there's another cold shoe mount in the top, so this allows you to mount two accessories. There's a tiny adapter that comes with the case that allows you to mount a 1/4 inch screw to one of the cold shoe mounts. The 1/4 inch mount allows you to mount the camera vertically, and this allows you to shoot vertical videos for Instagram or displays without having to crop, so you're actually using the full sensor of the DJI Osmo Action in vertical mode, which is a very handy feature to have. The Rode video microphone has a very good build quality, and it's an amazing microphone that will give you very good sound quality. In the box you will get the shock mount, the microphone and a wind muff. The shock mount takes away the vibration and noise that otherwise would end up in your audio recording. And the wind muff will allow you to record great quality audio outside, even in windy days, or for example if you have the camera mounted in a moving object like a bicycle. This whole kit will set you back around 117 euros. I'll put the link to the items in the video description if you want to check them out. Please note, I bought this adapter directly from the DJI website and it worked just perfect. Straight out of the box, the adapter was recognized by the DJI Osmo camera without any issues. Just make sure to have your firmware up to date and you should be good to go. The camera even displays in the screen a little microphone icon allowing you to know that you're recording sound from an external device. Please be aware there's numerous knockoff copies of the CYNOVA audio adapter, and there's a lot of angry people writing reviews because the product doesn't work correctly. So my advice would be just play it safe. Buy the original CYNOVA adapter from the DJI website and you're good to go. So in conclusion, I'm very happy with the audio quality that I was able to capture in the DJI Osmo Action with this setup. And the fact that the wind did not ruin the audio while riding the bike, it's very cool. So I would like to know, what would you do with a setup like this? Very portable, very capable. The DJI Osmo Action can record 4K to 60 frames a second, has built-in stabilization. It also can shoot in a log-like format, which is called D-Cine-like in the DJI camera. And now you can get crazy cool audio. That's it for now. Thanks for dropping by and I'll see you later.